to use the bundle set of Sun 12 Zodiac and Mini GONR model? Let's see. Place the Sun behind your back like this. Then place the Mini GONR under your legs. If you have the 12 Zodiac or a footrest, you can add it later for extra heat. You can place the mat on the upper body like this and then add the 12 Zodiac to support the neck. When using the mat, simply sit down like this. You can also place the mat on the knee area like this. Use the half moon pillow, rest your neck on it, and lean comfortably against the chair for 30 minutes. The recommended starting temperature for each mat is 45 Celsius. If you want more warmth in certain areas, you can slowly increase the temperature. Once your neck feels relaxed, flip the 12 Zodiac and place it on the front of the neck. This helps you breathe more easily, reduce coughing, and helps the lungs to feel clearer and more open. If you have discomfort in the abdominal area or digestive issues, place the 12 Zodiac mat along the abdomen. If you have side pain, you can turn the mat to the left or right side. For uterine pain or period cramps, slide the mat down to the lower abdomen. For discomfort on the thighs, place it directly like this. For knee pain, place the Sun or Mini GONR underneath and the 12 Zodiac mat on top. For swollen feet, place your feet directly on the Mini GONR mat. We don't recommend placing 12 Zodiac under the feet. After cleaning your feet, you may place the 12 Zodiac on top of the feet. The 12 Zodiac model is for personal use only and should not be shared. For back pain, insert the half moon pillow behind your back. This helps the mat to fit the back better and more comfortable. You can sit like this and place the 12 Zodiac mat over the abdomen for whole body comfort. For lying down, arrange the mats in a long line from the neck to the feet. Place 12 Zodiac on the half moon pillow. Make sure the pillow doesn't press on the mat. The first row of stones should align with the shoulders and the mat should extend to the feet. For women, we recommend lying face down. This helps relax the uterus, the abdomen, the neck, and the face. If you have headaches or migraines or feel mentally tired, rest your head here. You may turn your head left and right after the front of the neck feels relaxed. After that, I recommend turning over and lying on your back for another 30 minutes. This helps relax the back of the neck after the front is released. Before using the mask, I recommend applying a medicated oil and gently doing gusha around the neck. This improves circulation and allows the heat to penetrate deeper. You can also flip the mat and applying it to the front of the neck. When you have coughing, breathing discomfort, or chest tightness. For people who feel cold easily, using the mask from both top and bottom helps the lungs work better. For overnight use, set the temperature around 45 Celsius, just a little warm. For short sessions, 1 or 2 hours, you may increase the temperature to 50, 55, or 60 Celsius. For faster sweating, I recommend placing the Mini GONR mat on top. This provides heat to the back, shoulders, abdomen, and legs from both sides. If you are using air conditioning, cover your body with a cloth or blanket to keep the heat inside. If you feel uncomfortable, you may use only the top or only the bottom mat. However, using both top and bottom helps you sweat faster and reduces pain more quickly. For beginners with a starting budget, I recommend these 3 models: Sun, 12 Zodiac, and Mini GONR. They can be aligned, adjusted, moved, and used anywhere in your home. Allow flexible use for every part of the body. Sleep questions? DM now!